Hello everyone, I'm Suryakala. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about present perfect tense. I know it's a bit confusing how to use and when to use present perfect tense. So, we are going to learn about present perfect tense as well as simple past because we all have this doubt in our minds that when to use present perfect tense and when to use simple past. We will learn about the structure of present perfect tense and we will compare the structure of present perfect tense with simple past. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's look at the structure of present perfect tense. Subject, helping verbs have or has depending on the pronoun. Verb form 3, V3 and object. For pronouns I, you, we, they, we use helping verb have. I have, you have, we have, they have. For pronouns he, she, it, we use helping verb has. He has, she has, it has. Following with verb form 3 and object. Students, it's a plural noun. So it denotes pronoun they. So for students, we use have. And Ram is a singular noun. So we use has. He. Ram. He. So this is how we use helping verbs according to the pronouns. Remember this. Now let's learn about verb. So we use verb third form in present perfect tense. So let's learn about verb forms. So we have two types of verbs. There are different types of verbs. We will learn separately. But here I'm going to talk about two types of verbs. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. So what are regular verbs? What are irregular verbs? Regular verbs are, for example, take look. This is V1, verb first form. And what is the V2 form for look? Looked. Verb third form, looked. Let's take another example. Cook. This is the verb 1 first form. This is the V1 form. What is the V2 form for cook? Cooked. Cooked. V3 cooked. So, if you look at the verb second form and third form, there is no difference. They both are same. Look, looked, looked. Cook, cooked, cooked. But when it comes to irregular verbs, let's take eat. This is V1. What is the V2 form for eat? Ate. Verb third form, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Let's take another example for irregular verbs. Give, verb 1, gave, V2, given, V3, at regular verbs, for the verb look, V2 looked, V3 looked. There is no difference between V2 and V3. We just added ed for the main verb. But when it comes to irregular verbs, all the three forms are different. For example, eat, ate, eaten, give, gave, given, take, took, taken. So we use verb third form for present perfect tense. Let's take some examples to understand the structure of present perfect tense. Let's look at these examples. He has written a letter to his friend. Subject, he. Helping verb, has, because we have singular pronoun. This is verb third form because what is the first form of written? Write, wrote, written. V1, V2, V3. So this is verb 3 and it is an irregular verb. Let's look at the other example. We have watched a horror movie. We, subject, have, helping verb, because we have plural pronoun we, so we use helping verb have. Verb, we have to identify the verb whether it is verb 2 or verb 3. This is verb third form. And object. Let's write all the three forms for main verb watch. Watch, watched, watched. V1, V2, V3. So, this is verb third form. Whenever you look at a sentence, when you have a doubt whether it is verb third form or verb second form, have a look at the helping verb before the main verb. So, if you have helping verbs have or has depending on the pronoun, then if we have the verb, it is verb third form. Just have a look at this. Watched, verb second form. Watched, verb third form. Both are same. But how to identify whether it is V3 or V2 based on the helping verb when it comes to present perfect tense. Friends, this is all about today's class. In the next video, I am going to teach the structure of simple past tense with examples, and then we will compare simple past and present perfect. If you have any doubts, please do comment below in the comment box. If you like my video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.